નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 5 of chapter 8, Body Movements of Standard 6th Science. In the last part, we discussed about ball and socket joint, isn't it? And through the activity, we perform an activity also, and through the activity we come to know that this joint, that is ball and socket joint, allows movement in all directions. Ball and socket joint allows movement in all the directions. That what we come to know in the last part. Okay. Now, in this part, we will learn pivotal joint. The another joint is known as pivotal joint. So let's try to understand pivotal joint. Okay. The joint where our neck joins the head is a pivotal joint. The joint where our neck is joined the head is known as, somewhere over here, is pivotal joint. It allows us to bend our head forward and backward and turn the head to our right and left. It allows us our head to back and to the forward, as well as to the left and to the right. Okay, so in 4 directions we can go through in this joint, pivotal joint. Okay, let's look into this textbook also. Open your textbook and be on the page number 68. So this joint allows us to bend our head forward and backward and turn the head to our left and right. Try these movements. How are these movements different from those of our arm and can rotate a complete circle in its ball and socket joint? In a pivotal joint, a cylindrical bone rotates in a ring. In a pivotal joint, a cylindrical bone rotates in a joint, in a ring. So it happens. Now let me show you how it works. See, I have actually skeleton with me, and all the parts are different. Okay, so what is this? This is a skull, isn't it? And this is our neck. You can see this is rib cage and this is our neck and this is a skull. Now this part, our neck and the head, where it joins? Here, somewhere over here, it joins somewhere over here, isn't it? Okay, and so this joint is known as pivotal joint, isn't it? Now, what happens actually? See, it allows the head to go back, forward and backward, isn't it? Like this. It allows the head to go forward and backward. I hope you must be understanding. And it allows the head to go to the left or to the right, to the left, isn't it? It is to the left, to the right. So it allows our neck in such directions, and the pivotal joint is available somewhere over here where our neck and head joins together. That is known as pivotal joint. I hope you must have got the idea through this skeleton. Okay. Now, so our pivotal joint is over. Now let's discuss the next one is hinge joint. Hinge joint. That is on the page number 69. So open page number 69 in your textbook. Hinge joint. open and close a door a few times. Suppose you open and close the door a few times. Observe the hinge of the door carefully. Observe the hinge of the door carefully. They allow the door to move back and forth. They allow the door to move back and forth. Suppose this is the door, isn't it? And if you open it, then it will go up to this only. And if you will close it up to this only. Here there is a hinge of the door. So what we used to do? If it is open, let's go for opening. And if we close it, this much only. So this allows the door to go back and forth, and that is known as, you must have seen the hinge, and if you have not seen yet, then go to door and observe it. Now there is activity 3 is there. There is activity 3. So first of all, let's read in this one, then discuss this activity, and then we will go for we will see that activity practically. So let me read from this first of all. Let us look at the kind of movement allowed by hinge. Make a cylinder with cardboard or thick chart paper, as shown in figure 8.5. Can you see figure 8.5 in your textbook somewhere over here? Attach a small pencil to the cylinder by piercing the cylinder at the center as shown. Make a hollow half cylinder from cardboard such that the rolled up cylinder can fit inside it easily. The hollow half cylinder with the rolled up cylinder sitting inside it allows movement like a hinge. Try to move the rolled up cylinder. How does it move? How is the movement different from what we saw with our constructed ball and socket joint? Okay, first of all, let's see this activity and do this activity. So, see, this is hinge joint activity 3. A. To create a model of hinge joint and demonstrate its function. And materials required: a cardboard or a thick chart paper and a small pencil. Procedure I will make you understand, and observation we will discuss after life. See, first of all, you should take a thick chart paper and roll it up. Okay? And take another paper and roll it only half. Okay? Now what we will have to do? First of all, put a hole over here. Okay? And then after, put this cylinder into this hollow half cylinder. So you can see it will fit into this one, isn't it? Now put a pencil in this hole. Put a pencil in this hole, and if I will do this, then this roll, this cylinder will be able to move in this direction only. See, this will move in this direction only. Can you see this? This will move in this direction only. Somewhere, something like this. Okay. So it will be able to move in this direction only. Okay. Can you see that? And you can see only one direction is there. This is the only one direction. This side and this side. Only one direction is there. Can you see? I hope you must have got the idea from this activity. So what is the conclusion or observation? Only back and forth movement is possible. Suppose this is back and forth movement is only possible. Conclusion: a hinge joint allows only back and forth movement. A hinge joint allows only back and forth movement. And now let's see in this textbook also once again. So come to the textbook. We saw this kind of movement at the elbow in activity 1. We discussed about elbow. That tie up that scale, and in this activity 1, we saw that one. So in activity 1, what we have constructed in figure 8.4 is different from a hinge. See, in figure 8.4, here somewhere over here, neck and head is different from hinge joint. But it illustrates the direction in which a hinge allows movement. The elbow has a hinge joint. The elbow has a hinge joint that allows only back and forth movement. You can see this is elbow, through which we can see this is forward and back movement only, and that will be this much only. This much movement we can go. Our elbow will allow this much movement only. This is back and forth movement. Okay. Can you think of more examples of such joints? Now think of more examples of this joint. Let me tell you, just give you the hint. That is knee. Think about knee. Okay. So think about hinge joint. Think about pivotal joint, which is available over here at the neck and head, and hinge joint is available at the elbow. Which type of direction it allows, that is also keep in your mind. So with this, we are ending this part. Okay, and in the next part we will discuss fixed joints. In the next part we will discuss fixed joints. Till then, watch this video 2 to 3 times and try to go for this activity at your home also, so that you can understand very well these hinge joints. Okay, so till then, thank you, and we'll meet you in the next part. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.